Good morning.
Morning.
Well, today we're off to Whitby, hopefully.
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips, 18 miles straight across the North Yorkshire Moors. So it's going to be tough getting over there, and also
The naughty clouds.
naughty clouds around. Another big hill there, climbing out of Rosedale. Oh, eco all the way though, because we need to save our batteries. Whew. That's 1.1 miles straight up. Look, officially halfway. Rosedale 8 miles, Whitby 8 miles. Well, these are nice. Almost like a stepping stone.
We've arrived in Whitby. We actually took on a part of the cinder track which Deb at Ludford told us about, which is just here. Where would it take you? This is the sign to show you. Apparently it's absolutely stunning and some really lovely views along it. Unfortunately we haven't got enough battery to get us back home again, so we can't.
Or time.
No, so we can't do it today.
Here we are, Whitby Docks, and of course we've got our fish and chips. I'm looking forward to these.
We can't actually tell the difference.
I think that's bigger, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Let's swap them back again.
Oh, gosh.
Are you feeling hungry now? Are you going to go and get a chippy dinner tonight?
Oh,
Thank you.
fabulous. Lovely. Well, we've managed the hills back from Whitby and not in the rain. Look at the views. Oh, just gorgeous. So Andy wanted to get the drone out, so I thought I'd have a little break. An apple and some chocolate. Well deserved. An amazing day. A bit busy in Whitby to be honest, which we were quite surprised at because it's Monday. We didn't think it would be quite that busy. Obviously everybody had the same idea as us and come out. Oh, just incredible. Oh, sit here all day. Just hear the sheep barring and the drone flying. Oh, so peaceful. Back at Katie, that is such a welcome sight. It was quite a tough ride back, wasn't it?
Yeah, very exposed on the moors there, so if anything went wrong we'd be in big trouble. So we had to be careful with our battery power and make sure we save it. So yeah, we've had a hard ride because switching the motors off quite a lot as we're riding.
Yeah.
But all's well in the end, we're back.
Kettle's on, might have a scone. Oh, this is the life. Love it. Perfect end to a day. Oh, cheers, Dave. Well done.
So we didn't think we'd had enough exercise today, so we thought we'd come out for a little evening hike up Northdale.
Yeah, but look at the scenery. We've got to go home tomorrow, so might as well make the most of it while we're here, hadn't we? We've had a really big dinner, so I just think, why not? It's a gorgeous night. It's stunning, isn't it? Oh.
Right, isn't it?
Oh, Andrew, were you having fun with the gate?
No.
Yes, he was.
It doesn't work.
Not just me that has problems with the gate.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it?
Oh, a bit of sun in the field we go to. Oh, and there's no sun, it's all in there.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
We found ourselves somewhere in the deep dark woods and the sign points this way,
Yeah.
but it looks
Oh,
not like a footpath.
it shows it's this way. It doesn't look like one there, does it? And the back and beyond. Just send me out first. If I don't come back.
Spooky.
Can't be down there. It's got to be this way.
Don't think many people walk this way. Oh, we made it out the woods. Survived that one.
We're now herding sheep. I actually thought at one point as we were coming towards this field, I saw a wolf because all the sheep suddenly dispersed. We've made it back. Katie's over there. We saw the sun go down.
It was nice, wasn't it?
Oh,
Nice
made
walk.
it back before it got dark. How many miles have we done, babe? It's not actually that many, is it?
No, it's about 4 miles.
Oh, look at that.
And it's just dropped us back on the campsite.
Babes, that's nice.
That cow must have had pain passing that.
There's another one. Sadly, that's the end of another exciting adventure. Just waiting for the chat. Been a brilliant weekend, hasn't it? So good.
Very active, as usual.
Super active. Can't believe we did that walk last night. So we're just
Clear?
leaving the site now. Yeah, go. Just leaving the site now and going back home. And Andy's got to work this afternoon. That is really rubbish.
Rubbish, it's very rubbish.
If you've liked what you've seen, then please do support our channel and subscribe. And if you hit the bell, then it will let you know when we've got our next vlog coming out. So that's always a bonus. Thanks ever so much, and we'll see you soon. Bye!